and so I give up all that I am, only to serve you, oh my Lord. I give up all that I am, just to adore you, my Lord, my Lord. Break my pride, I want to go down and dive in the waters of